Hello student, I welcome you all in the online class of Social Studies. In the previous video, we had studied about Mizoram and Nagaland state. Today, we will know about the state Tripura. See the main features of Tripura in short. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Total area 10,500 square kilometer. Total number of districts in the state of Tripura, 8 districts are there. Okay, population 3.7 million is the population of the Tripura state. Main language of the state Tripura, Bengali. Okay, important cities except Agartala, capital city, Kailasar and Dharmnagar, etc. are the important cities of the Tripura state. Main rivers of Tripura state, the Gumti, the Khoi and the Lungai are the main rivers of the Tripura state. Okay. Now, we will see the location of the state Tripura in the map of India. Okay. Student, see the location of the state Tripura in the map of India. See, with pink color, this is Tripura state with its capital Agartala. Okay. Tripura state shares its borders with the state of Mizoram, Assam and Bangladesh. Okay. Now we will know about the state Tripura in detail. Tripura state spreads over an area of around 10,500 square kilometer. It has 8 districts. Its population is around means near about 3.7 million. It shares its borders with the states of Mizoram and Assam. The main language spoken in the state of Tripura is Bengali. Main crops grown in the state Tripura are rice, jute, sugarcane are grown here in the state of Tripura. A lot of bamboo and cane forest or trees found in the state of Tripura. Rivers like the Gumti, the Longai, the Khoi, etc. are the main rivers of the state Tripura. Some cities of the state are Kailasar, Dharmnagar, etc. Okay. Agartala is the second largest city in northeast of India. It has Ujjanta Palace, Tripura State Museum, etc. Means whenever you go to visit Tripura state, you can visit Ujjanta Palace and Tripura State Museum. Tripura is one of the northeastern states of India. It is densely forested area. Okay, means we can find a large number of forest or dense forest in the state of Tripura. This region receives heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. It has a rich flora and fauna. Flora and fauna, plants and animals living in a particular area is known as flora and fauna of that area. Okay. There are many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks like the Clouded Leopard National Park and the Sipahijala Wildlife Sanctuary. The people depend on agriculture and grow, as I told you, sugarcane, rice, pulses and jute. Rubber and tea are important cash crops of the state. Cash crops means the crops which farmers grow mainly to sell in the market. These crops are known as the cash crops. Okay. Handicrafts like wood carvings, bamboo products, and cane weaving are extensively practiced. Extensively means on a great scale, on a large scale. People are very fond of dance and music. Means the people of Tripura state like dance and music. Some musical instruments used here are the sarinda and sumui. Garia and jhoom are some of the dance forms of this state. The women wear a three-piece dress called rignai, risa and rikutu. The traditional dress for men is called kamcha bibi. Boro. Today, most people wear western clothes, even in the state Tripura. Students, in this chapter, till now, we have studied about the mighty Himalayas, three ranges of the Himalayas, Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Middle Himalayas or Himachal, Outer Himalayas or Shivalik, the importance of the Himalayas, life in the mountains, about the state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and the story of seven sisters, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and today we have known about the state Tripura. So students, today this chapter gets over. Students, today's homework is to read the whole lesson once and listen the video carefully and solve the question, answer and the book exercises. Okay? In the next video, we will study about the next chapter, that is chapter number 12, the Northern Plains. Okay? Thank you. God bless you all.